Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: 10 creative ways to reduce food waste and make the most of your ingredients. Food waste is a pressing issue worldwide, and by implementing these strategies, we can all contribute to a more sustainable future. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Meal planning. Planning your meals in advance is an excellent way to ensure you use up all your ingredients efficiently. Take inventory of what you have in your pantry and refrigerator, and then create a meal plan for the week. By planning your meals in advance, you can ensure that not only does meal planning save you time and stress during the week, but it also helps minimize food waste and saves money in the long run. So grab a pen, paper, and your favorite recipes and start meal planning to make the most of your ingredients. Number 2. Mindful shopping. When grocery shopping, be conscious of expiration dates and buy only what you need. Take a few extra moments to read labels, understand portion sizes, and consider buying imperfect or ugly produce. These items are just as nutritious and delicious, but often get overlooked. Plan your shopping trips to avoid impulse purchases and make a list based on your meal plan. By being mindful of your shopping habits, you can minimize the amount of food that goes to waste, save money, and support sustainable practices in the food industry. Number 3. Proper storage. Proper storage is key to extending the shelf life of your ingredients and reducing food waste. Utilize airtight containers, reusable bags, or beeswax wraps to keep your fruits, vegetables, and leftovers fresh for longer. Store items like potatoes, onions, and garlic in cool, dark places to prevent sprouting or spoilage. Learn which foods are best stored in the refrigerator versus the pantry. Number 4. Composting. By composting, you divert food waste from landfills, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and the strain on our environment. It's a win-win for both your garden and the planet. So, start composting today and join the movement towards a more sustainable future. Remember, even small composting efforts can make a big difference in reducing food waste and nurturing the earth. Number 5. Creative use of scraps. Number 6. Leftover transformations. Leftovers often get neglected and eventually thrown away, but with a little creativity, you can transform them into new and exciting dishes. Instead of letting those extra roasted chicken pieces or cooked vegetables go to waste, think of ways to repurpose them. Turn leftover roasted chicken into a flavorful chicken salad by adding mayo, herbs, and chopped veggies. Transform stale bread into a delicious bread pudding by combining it with eggs, milk, sugar, and spices. Leftover cooked vegetables can be used as fillings for wraps, added to omelets, or mixed into hearty soups. The possibilities are endless. By embracing leftover transformations, you not only reduce food waste, but also add variety to your meals. Number 7. Food sharing initiatives. Food sharing initiatives are a powerful way to combat food waste and foster community spirit. Many communities have programs where you can donate excess produce or food items to those in need. These initiatives not only help reduce food waste, but also ensure that edible food reaches people who can benefit from it. Additionally, you can organize a neighborhood food swap, where neighbors exchange surplus ingredients or prepared meals. This creates a sense of community and promotes the sharing of resources. Participating in food sharing initiatives not only helps reduce waste, but also makes a positive impact on the lives of others. So reach out to local organizations, food banks, or start a food sharing group in your community to make a difference and build connections while tackling food waste together. Number 8. The art of preserving. Preserving fruits and vegetables allows you to enjoy them long after their peak season. The art of preserving involves techniques such as canning, pickling, and making homemade jams. Canning involves sealing fruits or vegetables in jars with sugar syrup, juice, or brine. Pickling uses a vinegar or brine solution to preserve vegetables, giving them a tangy and flavorful twist. Homemade jams are a delightful way to preserve fruits by cooking them with sugar and storing them in sterilized jars. By learning these preservation techniques, you can save excess produce from going to waste. Preserved foods not only taste delicious, but also provide a burst of flavor during off-seasons. Number 9. Portion control. Practicing portion control helps minimize food waste while promoting healthier eating habits. Start by serving smaller portions and only taking seconds if needed. This way, you can avoid overestimating your appetite and reduce the likelihood of throwing away uneaten food. Remember, you can always go back for more if you're still hungry. Another helpful tip is to use smaller plates and bowls, as they create an illusion of a fuller plate. Be mindful of portion sizes when cooking and follow recommended serving sizes. By practicing portion control, you not only save food but also take a step towards maintaining a balanced diet. So, next time you're dishing out a meal, keep portion control in mind and savor your food without the guilt of waste. Number 10. The power of freezing. Freezing is a fantastic way to extend the life of many ingredients. If you have excess produce or meals, consider freezing them for later use. Simply place your ingredients in freezer-safe containers or bags, making sure to remove any excess air to prevent freezer burn. Label and date your frozen items to avoid confusion. Freezing allows you to preserve the freshness of fruits, vegetables, meats, and even prepared dishes. It's especially useful for items that are about to spoil, but can still be enjoyed in the future. With a well-organized freezer, you'll always have a stash of ingredients ready for quick and convenient meals. And there you have it, 10 creative ways to reduce food waste and make the most of your ingredients. By implementing these strategies into your daily life, you'll not only save money, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. Remember, every small action counts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on sustainable living. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.